this morning I got up and looked out the window and the bird feeder was gone. So if you look right behind me, there's a bird feeder, but that's bird feeder number 2. Bird feeder number 1 is disappeared, and I suspect it was probably a black bear visitor last night. So I'm going to see if I can find the bear. Hopefully he's not around here anywhere, but if he is, this should take care of it. Okay, so now I'm going to see if I can find any evidence where this bear went. Probably back in the big bad woods. You look real close. You see those seeds, sunflower seeds right there? Here's some more. Right there, whole trail of seeds going back towards the house. So he probably went down this direction towards the woods. See if we can find anything back in the woods somewhere. See there? See some disturbance around the weeds and stuff and the brush. I'd say he went back through there. There you go. It's easy to tell that something big went through here. How the brush is pushed to the side. Goes down through the woods. Down through the big bad woods. There we go. You can see he was moving around here a little bit. Still don't see any bird feeder. It's all wet out here. Oh, he went over this way. Turned over that way, the way it looks. Oh, I think I see the feeder. Yeah, he was carrying on here. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, right there it is. I mean, it's pretty much destroyed. Can't see no bear. Oh, brother. Whoa. Just look at that. Oh. At least gonna scare the bear. So, if you hear a couple shots, that wasn't to shoot the bear, but just to scare him. Here we go. Hang on. Whoa. That should let him know that somebody else is around here. Wow. Glass is broken out. Lids tore off. That's extreme stuff. He must have been pretty hungry, apparently. Wow. Just for any future bears, if you come into this territory and try this stunt again, I will at least scare you, if not eliminate you. Any future bears that try this stunt again would not be advisable. No. See that machine right there? That will do a lot of damage. More damage than the bear can do to the bird feeder. Yeah. Spread the word.